How does sugar from your breakfast get inside your cells? Today we unlock the secret gateways of the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin layer made of phospholipids and proteins. It controls what enters and leaves the cell, like a market gate. Diffusion is the movement of particles from high to low concentration. No energy needed, just like perfume spreading across a room. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a partially permeable membrane. Water moves from dilute to concentrated solution. In hypertonic solution, water enters and the cell swells. In hypertonic, water leaves and the cell shrinks. Isotonic means balance. Facilitated transport uses protein channels to help large molecules cross. Still high to low concentration, still no energy needed. Active transport moves particles from low to high concentration. This needs energy from ATP, like pushing water uphill. Bulk transport moves large particles. Endocytosis brings things in. Exocytosis releases them out. The membrane wraps around them. Example: a red blood cell placed in 0.9% salt solution stays the same size. Why? Because it is isotonic, equal concentrations inside and out. Common mistake. Students say osmosis means sugar moves. Wrong. In osmosis, only water moves. The sugar stays put. Memory aid. DOFAB minus diffusion. Osmosis facilitated are passive. Active and bulk need energy. Passive is free. Active pays the price. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to continue your learning journey.